Good morning, class 10th. So today we start the chapter number 7, that coordinate geometry. I think you all already about this chapter know that what is the coordinate geometry. Already studied in the class 9th also, that the graph was there. Now in this chapter some graphs are not there, but some calculations are there. See, that first topic is what? Distance formula. Now distance formula is basically what? Suppose two points are there in the graph, okay, like A point and B point, and suppose I have to find the distance between these 2 points, then this formula will be used. Suppose here this will be the graph, A will be the point, suppose, and B will be the another point. If I have to find the distance between A and B, then the formula which I have to use, that will use by distance formula. Now what is that formula now? These all things are the derivation of this. This is the basically distance formula. That PQ, P and Q are the points where under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. I will draw here and tell you that now suppose I will take P and Q, these 2 points are there. This will be the point is x1 comma y1, and this will be the second point, that x2 comma y2. Then the distance between PQ will be what? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This will be the formula. Now we start with the questions. What type of questions are there? Example we will discuss afterwards when the exercise will complete. Now this will be the exercise 7.1. Find the distance between the points 2, 3 and 4, 1. Now first question, suppose P I will take a point 2, 3, and second point I will take Q is what? 4, 1. Now this one is what? x1 y1, this one will be x2 y2. Now if I find the distance between PQ, that x2 minus x1, the formula is what? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 minus x1 means 4 minus 2, that 4 minus 2 square plus 1 minus 3 square. 4 minus 2 square is 2 square, 1 minus 3 square is minus 2 square. Now the square of 2 is what? 4 and 4. Answer is what? Root 8. Now what you can write root 8? I think you all know that 2 root 2. How we can? 2 4, 2 2 and 2 1. Make the pairs of it. So 2 will be the pair. 2 root 2 square unit you can write. Why square unit? Because we don't know the. Now suppose is the distance. Distance are always having the unit like centimeter, meter, kilometer. These are the unit of the distance. But here the points are there, so we don't know the distance unit. So I will write square unit. You can write unit also. Square no need write. Unit only. 2 root 2 unit. Now second part as it is you can do by your own. That one is homework. Third part I will do. Now third part is A comma B and minus A comma minus B. Again the distance between P and Q, x, it will be x1 y1, this will be x2 y2. You can take any one x1 y1, x2 y2, it's your choice. Now x2 minus x1 formula plus y2 minus y1 square. x2 minus x1 is minus a square plus minus b square. So minus a is what? Minus 2a square plus minus 2b square. It will be 4a square and plus 4b square. Now what is the common? It will be 4, then a square plus b square. Now 4 will be outside the root. Then what will be the answer? That 2 under root a square plus b square unit. And this will be the answer. The name I will write here. Distance formula. Now same as it is the second question, you can do by your own. Find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. You can do by your own. Only find the distance. 36 minus 0 whole square plus 15 minus 0 whole square. This only you have to do. Now third one. Determine the points. These are the collinear or not. Okay. Third question. Now what are the collinear points? The points which are on the same line is called the collinear points. So third one question is 1, 5, 1, 5. Then second point is 2, 3. And third point is minus 2, minus 11. These are the 3 points. ABC I will give them name. Now first I will find the distance of AB by that formula, distance formula AB, that x2 minus x1, that 2 minus 1 plus y2 minus y1, that 3 minus 5 whole square, that 2 minus 1 is what? 1 square, 3 minus 5 is minus 2 square, 1 plus 4, answer is what? Root 5. Then BC you can find. BC is what? x2 minus x1, that minus 2 minus 2 whole square plus minus 11 minus 3 minus 4 square minus 11 minus 3 minus 14. 4 square is what? 16 plus 14 square is 196 minus 2 minus. Now 16 plus 19 will be what? 6 and 6, that 12, that 9, 1, then 11 and 1, 1, 2. Now find AC. AC also you have to find. x2 minus x1, that minus 2 minus 1 square plus y2 minus y1 minus 11 minus 5, that minus 3 square and minus 16 square, it will be 9 and 196. 196 plus 9, that 295. Now what we done? 3 sides we find. Now if the sum of 2 sides will be equal to the third side, then it will be the collinear. Suppose I will give the example. If the distance between of these 3 points, if this will be 2, this will be 5, and the total distance is coming 7, means they all are on the same line. Now see that if I add any 2, then the answer will come this or not. If you see that I will do AB plus BC, I will write here that AB plus BC will equal to AC. Just check it. AB is what? Root 5 plus root 112. It will be equals to root 295. What do you think? No, because we can't add first root. We can't add this root. Suppose if we will add also, then also will answer not came 295. So these are not a collinear points. Now question number 4th. Last question. Fourth is check whether these are an isosceles triangle. Okay. If 5 comma minus 2, 6 comma 4 and 7 comma minus 2. Now listen, this one will be homework. If you not do, I will discuss in the live class now. Now find AB first. Whatever will be there, find AB by distance formula, then find BC by this, by using this, and last one find AC, these one. If any two are equal, if any two comes and equal, then the triangle will be what? Isosceles triangle. Otherwise, it will not an isosceles triangle. If all the sides are different, it will be an scalene triangle. If two sides are coming equal, means isosceles triangle. And if suppose if all the sides are come equal, then it will be equilateral triangle. So fourth question will be your homework question. Thank you all of you.